In this video, you will learn how to connect XTB to MetaTrader 5. Open an XTB trading account, sign up with XTB and select MetaTrader 5 or MT5 as your preferred trading platform if available for your region. Verify your account. Complete the identity verification process by uploading a valid ID and proof of address. Once you're verified, your account will be deactivated. Download MetaTrader 5. Install MetaTrader 5 on your device, desktop or mobile, from the official MetaTrader website. Retrieve. Make sure to retrieve your login credentials. After your account is approved by XBT, make sure to log into your MetaTrader 5 account. These details will include a server name, an account number and a password. Log into MetaTrader 5, open the MetaTrader 5 platform, then go to Files, log into Trade Account, then enter the credential provided by XTB and make sure you select the correct server. Start trading. Once logged in, your account will be connected to MetaTrader 5. You'll be able to trade using available tools and features. Now you know how to connect XTB to MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.